Hey guys, so this is part 2 of if the Tikis kill me, the video ends. And right now, that would have been bad if I would have just died at the start. So as you can see, there is another guest with us today, Honk. So now we have Tiky and Honk. By the way, if you want the mods, you can install them in the description. Alright, so let's get started. I'm over here, Tikys and Honks. Is there a party in there? Like, actually, they're always there. Is there a party that I'm missing? Can he teleport? Wait, I just saw him teleport. That's so weird. Huh. Okay. It's gonna be hard for me. And also, they can jump really high. No, not now, please. That would have been bad. Oh, God. Dang it. Well, now I know that they can jump super high. And by super high, I mean they can literally jump basically up here. And they can jump up there. So it's gonna be more challenging if I go over there, I think. Please, I do not want to lose life. Yeah, headphones alert because the honks, well, since I put them before I started recording, well, I heard their song and it's pretty loud, not gonna lie. So, headphones alert. And also, maybe I might scream because I'm kind of scared. This is weird. Like, you just see paper trying to kill you. Imagine seeing a meme just following you everywhere, trying to kill you. Secretly. But obviously. How can my hermit purple touch the water? No, it's like... It's grappling on the water. That's so weird. Oh no. I gotta be careful. I don't want the video to end like right now. What? He just teleported! So honks can teleport. Good to know, I guess.